to men, and so I think because of that, and people who, if they really, if you really go deep into it and think about it, and the kind of what God has made a girl, a woman, a lady, I think it is something which is so unique, so wonderful. It has to be not only supported, I think it should be worshipped. I mean, this is what I feel, and I sincerely feel it. And it's not only that, in my choice of films also, to a certain extent, if I am one of those actors in the past, if the films which I've done, and I've been very, very fortunate that I had, I started my career in 1983 with a lot of films which were very hero-oriented and male-dominated, and films like that. But ultimately, when I got the success, I didn't want to repeat that. I wanted to support films which were dominated by girls, and I did it very, very proudly and very, very happily, and I had no problems. There was a lot of films which were, like for example, I did a film, Mr. India, where I was most of the time invisible, and I did it very proudly. There was a film called Beta, which ultimately there were a lot of critics who bitched about the film, and they said it should not be Beta, it should be called Beti. But I was happy doing the films. I was very happy with doing the film. I remember Indra Kumar coming to me and speaking to me. I said, this scene actually in the original script is supposed to be completely dominated by you, by your character. But if Madhuri does it, she's a newcomer and she's a new girl, if she does it, she'll be doing it for the first time. And it will add, because you see, a woman is taking a stand. A woman is taking a stand, a girl is taking, a wife is taking a stand against a husband. And because you're the leading man, you have made this project possible. Without you, this film would have never happened. Because you're the person who's getting the money to make this film. Because your name sells. And we are all newcomers. If you say yes, I'll completely change the scene and this will be the turning point of the film. And I said, okay, go ahead and do it. I said, I have the confidence. I said, so what? I said, I believe in it. I said, woman can do it. And if you see Beta, that there is a scene where, where Madhuri takes a stand. And to a certain extent, she takes a stand, and somewhere she tries to defend me, For a man and for a leading man, and especially how leading men are and men are, they are slightly, they have this vanity about being men. And but I did that scene, and the film became one of the biggest blockbusters. And ultimately, it's always the intent. It's always the intent of what you believed in. That I did that film, and ultimately, when the film was announced, obviously everybody, said it is, this is the film, and the film should have become on Beti or Beta, whatever it is, and when the awards were announced, I won the Best Actor award, So what I'm saying is, if you support women, you support girls, and if you support the girls, not only in your family, in your society, but any girl or anyone you meet in real life, or you come across, I think you should not only support them, but I think you should look up to them. You should encourage them. You should worship them. I think because I think they are the most wonderful, things. Wonderful. I think. What do I say? People. I just when I see them, I look at them. I look at their faces and I see them. I talk to them. I've always had more girlfriends than boyfriends. I don't mean it the other way. I mean it as friends, as buddy. And that's the way I've always been. And